Dusting the house is a common chore for every household, especially in the Indian subcontinent. While most of the dusting is quite uncomplicated, there can be some tricky areas as well. In today's video, I will share some tried and tested dusting tips that can help you simplify your dusting routine. Let's get started. Small, beautiful artifacts and brass items attract a lot of dust. These small carved areas are very difficult to clean as they are very hard to reach due to their small appearance. To clean, use any old makeup brush and sweep out the dust. Eyeshadow brush is a great tool to reach narrow areas. Fabric lamps attract a lot of dust, and to clean them, the best way I have found out is to use a lint roller. Just roll up and down and all the dust will stick to the lint roller. Just remove the sticker from the roller when done. Lot of dust get accumulated in the keys of the keyboard. To remove the dust, you may use this type of vacuum blower, which is usually used to clean DSLR cameras. It will blow the dust out. See, so much dust is out. And now just either tap the keyboard gently on the table or sweep out the dust using a makeup brush. To remove any stains, use a disinfectant wipe. This will both clean and disinfect the keypad. Please don't use harsh cleaning solutions. In fact, dusting effort for appliances can be minimized by keeping them covered during the non-usage hours. I usually cover my office computers and keyboards once I finish my work using plain cloth. For keyboards, you can also get this type of silicone protector as well. For devices that need heat dissipation, make sure you keep them uncovered during usage. These cane baskets and planters look great, but they do attract a lot of dust. To clean them, use a vacuum cleaner. It will suck in all the dust. Alternatively, you can use a hair dryer to blow the dust out. Turn them upside down and tap on the floor. All the dust will fall off on the floor. Now just wipe them with damp cloth. For light fixtures, ceiling and corners, use this twistable microfiber duster. Due to its flexible shape, it is easy to clean the lights by just twisting its head a bit. A must-have duster for all the households. For the cleaning of fans, I prefer these microfiber gloves. Just take one blade and slide out. All the dust will be swept away and stick to the glove. These gloves don't make a mess and make cleaning easy and simple. To protect your drawers and shelves from dust, always use shelf liners. Liners also help protect your shelves and drawers from unwanted spills and stains. Just wash them whenever you are deep cleaning the area. Next tip is my favorite, and I have mentioned about it in my previous videos as well. Cover the cabinet tops with newspapers or liners to protect your cabinets from sticky dust. If the tops are covered, all the dust will fall on the newspaper. During the deep cleaning routine, just change to fresh newspaper. I would also like to reiterate the fact, if you are dusting a room, start from high areas and then move towards lower areas. Keeping the gravity in your cleaning team will avoid back and forth dusting flow. Walls also have some hidden dust, and occasional dusting is important. To make the task easy, use a dry flat mop and dust the walls. You may use this type of microfiber duster also for the same. To clean and dust upholstery and mattress, the best tool is vacuum cleaner. It extracts all the invisible tiny dust particles, germs, mites, and refreshes your sofas and beds. But if you do not own any vacuum cleaner, you can dust upholstery and mattress with a carpet brush, which is a great helping tool. The same carpet brush is helpful for cleaning the dust from the mosquito mesh doors. Lot of dust gets accumulated in these small holes and bristles of this brush help remove them. To clear the dirt from sliding door tracks, you can take the help of any old toothbrush or makeup brush. You can also buy this type of small brush and scooper online. Just scrape the dirt from the corners using a toothbrush. Now with the help of an old makeup brush, collect all the dirt and remove using a scooper or piece of paper. Now take a disinfectant wipe and clean the tracks. Tracks are clean and clear. Indoor plants or house plants also collect a lot of dust which can be seen easily on their leaves. They too need to be dusted regularly. To clean the dust, you can use this type of microfiber glove. Now just dust all the leaves properly. Now take a damp cloth and clean the leaves. Do not use damp cloth in dusty leaves as it will leave marks on them which look very bad. To dust plants with small leaves, use a makeup brush. After dusting, just spray little water on the clean brush and clean the leaves. Same way to dust artificial flowers, use an old toothbrush or makeup brush. As these flowers have so many petals and leaves and they are fragile, it is difficult to clean them with duster. Small brush helps clean teeny tiny parts of the flowers. To dust big wall arts, paintings and picture frames, you can use this fluffy brush. As this is very light in weight, it is easy to clean the hanging wall arts without removing them. That's all about this video. Hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.